The Apgar score is used to evaluate the newborns. Answer: muscle tone and reflex. Which of the following is the most common cause of diarrhea in children? Answer: rotavirus. The recommended position for a baby during breastfeeding is? Answer: side-lying position. The primary immunization schedule starts at? Answer: birth. The best indicator of adequate nutrition in infants is? Answer: steady weight gain. The first dose of the DPT vaccine is given at? Answer: 6 weeks. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets in children? Answer: vitamin D. A child with Kawasaki disease is at risk of developing? Answer: heart complications. The most effective method to prevent childhood obesity is? Answer: encouraging outdoor activities. An infant with pyloric stenosis will typically exhibit? Answer: projectile vomiting. The primary sign of dehydration in infants is? Answer: sunken fontanelle. Oral rehydration therapy is indicated for children with? Answer: dehydration. Which reflex disappears last in an infant? Answer: Babitsky reflex. The recommended age for introducing solid foods to an infant is? Answer: 6 months. The primary mode of transmission of measles is? Answer: respiratory droplets. The appropriate site for intramuscular injection in infants is? Answer: vastus lateralis. The most common congenital heart defect in children is? Answer: ventricular septal defect. Iron deficiency anemia in children is commonly caused by? Answer: insufficient iron intake. The best method to assess pain in a 2-year-old child is? Answer: observing facial expressions and behavior. The most common symptom of bronchitis in infants is? Answer: difficulty breathing. The first-line treatment for febrile seizures in children is? Answer: lowering body temperature. The leading cause of preventable blindness in children is? Answer: Vitamin A deficiency. Which vaccine is used to prevent poliomyelitis? Answer: OPV. A child diagnosed with croup will typically present with? Answer: barking cough. The drug of choice for treating a febrile child with otitis media is? Answer: amoxicillin. A sign of severe malnutrition in children is? Answer: edema. Which condition is associated with a strawberry tongue? Answer: scarlet fever. The primary cause of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, is? Answer: unknown etiology. The daily requirement of calcium for a 3-year-old child is approximately? Answer: 500 milligrams. Which type of play is common in preschool-aged children? Answer: associative play. A sign of Down syndrome in newborns is? Answer: simian crease on the palm. The most effective prevention of neonatal tetanus is? Answer: proper umbilical cord care. A newborn with jaundice should be treated with? Answer: phototherapy. Which food is introduced first during weaning? Answer: cereals. A 5-year-old child diagnosed with asthma is prescribed? Answer: bronchodilators.